This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google search bar, type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, you gotta look for either the official Fortnite.com webpage or epicgames.com webpages. As you can see, in my case, they've popped up right together, one after another, so I can go for either one. Once the webpage gets loaded, you gotta tap at the download button at the said webpage, then confirm that you would like to download the file anyway, despite of any potential threats that it might carry. Then launch the file, install the Epic Games launcher, then open it. Then once the Epic Games app gets launched, you gotta open the Fortnite game page, tap at the install button, and now we will wait for a few moments wait for the game to download itself, basically. As you can see, once the game was prepared to be installed, this little message pops up, which asks us to grant Epic Games Launcher the Install Unknown Apps permission, which you can very easily do by turning on this switch. After that, the installation confirmation window pops up, so just confirm that you would like to still install the game. And once the Fortnite gets successfully installed, you can finally launch it. And in here, simply wait for the additional updates and resources to get downloaded, and after that, you will be able to start playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.